Okay, so welcome back to the channel, and today I will tell you how you can turn off the restricted mode in iPhone 16 Pro Max in the latest iOS. So what you need to do is to go to the settings here, and you need to find out the display time or screen time here, the option. You need to go here, and then you need to scroll it down, and then you can see there is a restricted mode here, content and privacy section. You need to go over this option and you need to turn off this option to disable or turn off the restricted mode on iPhone, and all of your restrictions which will be to the apps or specific things, you can turn it off. Okay, so that's how you can turn off the restriction mode on the iPhone. And if you turn it on from here, it will ask the screen time password, which will be different than your password given the iPhone. So you can allow and enable the privacy restrictions from your iPhone, or by disabling it you can disable for everything. Okay, so that's how you can do it. If you have any other question, just let me know, and in this channel we will be discussing iPhone tutorials. If you have any question, just let me know. We'll get back in another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.